What is SEO? I don't understand SEO. Each time I hear people talk about SEO, I get confused. How do I use SEO? How do I understand SEO? Don't worry. In this video, I want to explain SEO to us in the simplest way possible. I want to explain SEO to us like we are 5-year-old, and I hope I get it. So what is XEO? XEO means search engine optimization. What then is search engine and what is optimization? That's how we are going to break it down. So what is search engine? Google is a search engine. Every platform has a search engine. You see that search bar where you go to type or search something on each platform? That is a search engine. It's a box that provides you the ability to type and search for something across that platform is a search engine. And every platform has a search engine. Now, what is optimization? It's how to edit your content, bio, or description, whatever, to suit that search bar. And how do you do that? By incorporating keywords into your content. How do you incorporate keywords into your content? How do you do all that? Don't worry. That is what I'm going to be talking about in this video. But before we proceed, if you are a new subscriber, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here's at the brand launch. We're all about digital marketing, business, entrepreneurship, everything that involves making money online. That is what we do here. And for returning subscribers, thanks for the love, and I'm happy to have you here. If you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel and you're here and you're watching me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's get started. So, like I said, every platform has its own search engines, and then the way you optimize your bio content or description to suit the search engine is what SEO is. Now, how do you optimize to suit the search engine? By incorporating keywords into your content, captions, or whatever. Now, how do you incorporate these keywords into your content? How do you get these keywords? You get them. There are two ways to get keywords. Is either you search organically. How do you search for keywords organically? On that search bar, by typing a word or a popular word in your industry. And then, when you're trying to search, I don't know if you've noticed this, when you're trying to search for something on IG, and then it starts to suggest other things to you. Those other things that it's suggesting are what people are searching for. And if you go on Google, it happens on Google too. And Google's own is so good that after searching, if you scroll down, it's going to show you people also search for like things that people have searched for. I don't know if you understand what I am saying. Like what people have searched for. For instance, I saw beginner course in digital marketing on the search bar. And then I scroll down, you're going to see people also search for those are keywords. Those are what people are searching for. But the disadvantage of the free one is that you don't know how many people are searching for it. So you don't know how that keyword is performing, whether it is good or not. But there are tools you can buy. There's SEMrush, there's keywords everywhere. And this tool is going to give you thousands of keywords. The good ones, how they are performing, and for different platforms. So that is why it's advisable to just get I think the subscription is not so much, but keywords is important. So if you are serious about your business, you should be able to get a keywords too, so that whenever you are creating a content or yes, around a product, you should know what people are searching for regarding that product. So you are able to like build or create a bio or a description for that product around those keywords so that when next someone goes on the search bar to search for something related to that product or that services, your content is most likely to appear. Your profile is most likely to appear. That is the importance of search engine. I think I should have mentioned that. It helps you rank high on search engine. If your keywords game, if your SEO game is good, when someone search for something in your industry, your profile is going to rank high. Like the first profile they are seeing is your profile. Do you understand? Say for instance, I'm a digital marketer and my profile SEO is good. When you search for digital marketer, I should show. Do you understand? So that is what XEO is. I don't know if I did justice to it, but XEO is incorporating keywords into your content. Say for instance, you create a content on five content niches to create to venture into in 2025, and then that's the title of the content you created. Then someone goes on YouTube to search for content niches to choose from, or high paying content niches in 2025. Yeah, the possibility of you showing is high depending on how many content are there in that niche and the SEO games of those people. If those ones don't have any SEO game, at least this little keyword can help you rank high. But if they have better SEO, like someone has a description that is exact as what that person typed, it's person content that will show. And you see they rank uh the way they rank high, low, like that. That is how good their SEO game is. There's no magic to it. And it doesn't happen once, consistently. I hope you don't need a magician. And even ChatGPT can give you keywords. Do you know? Yeah. I think I should mention that. ChatGPT can give you keywords. So just go and ask it keywords in your niche. What are people searching for? Even when generating content ideas, you can ask ChatGPT. When you ask for content ideas, tell it should give you a search rate, the number of persons searching for that content idea in a month. You can even tell ChatGPT, give me a title, an SEO focused title. Give me a title with keywords incorporated. Like, what is the most popular keywords in my niche? Incorporate it into a title and create me a title around this product. It will do it. Do you understand? SEO is so important. So what is SEO? It is optimizing your bio, optimizing your content to suit search engines by incorporating keywords into your content. Keywords, what people are searching for. Let's say you are a business owner, a real estate company in Abuja, and your bio says properties in Abuja. And then I go on uh, YouTube or IG to look for properties in Abuja. I'm most likely to see your page. Do you understand? Because that is what you do, because that is a keyword and you have the keyword on your bio. One thing I think everyone should pay attention to, every business owner, is your location should be on your bio. Because when people search for things, most of the time they include locations. I see a lot of business owners, they don't, their business location, even if it's an online store, you can put your location, then go on to add that you offer nationwide delivery. That is the best way to go about it. Because there are people that when they want to buy, because they don't want high cost, they said product in so town. Like whatever. Just okay, let's say give me a product, give me a simple product. Toothpaste in Abuja. I want to buy toothpaste online. I don't want anybody said sending toothpaste from another city. Do you understand? I'm just using toothpaste as an example, or hair. I don't want a hair vendor from another city. So if you're a hair vendor, even if it's an online store, but you have a location in Abuja, it should be on your bio. Then you can go on to tell people that, oh, you offer nationwide delivery. That way, when someone needs an urgent something, they cannot wait for 3 days or 2 days for it to arrive from another city. You should even be able to tell people that you offer same day delivery within. I think I'm digressing, but I'm just trying to give us tips on keywords. Keywords for like everything around keywords, your bio especially helps you rank high. I'm focusing on platforms because I know most websites have good SEO. Most websites, for the ones I have seen, they have good SEO. Not all, but most of the ones I've seen. But SEO is neglected on platforms like IG, Facebook, and YouTube. People neglect it a lot. And it's telling on your business, especially if it's a business page, your location should be there. Your location is major SEO because you're in Abuja, hair vendor in Lagos, like that. So please take your SEO game seriously. I hope you understand what SEO is now. It is incorporating keywords into your content. Do you understand now? Now you know what keywords are. Keywords are those words that people are searching for in your niche. And now adding those keywords, You can generate, when you generate organically and you don't know how to incorporate it, ChatGPT is there. Paste it on ChatGPT. Tell it that these are the popular keywords in your industry. And if there's anyone you've missed, you should include it and create you a bio, or optimize your bio, or create a description, product description for so product, or create a video description for so video. It's that simple. In seconds, it will generate these things. And you have, if you do this thing consistently for a month, you see the profile visit you get. You see how many people your content is able to reach. Yes, the way you take hashtags seriously is the way you should take SEO seriously, because it helps you rank high. And for anybody to go on a search engine and search for something, it means the intention to buy is there. The willingness to buy is there. So if someone is willing to buy, you should be able to reach them. I don't know if I'm making sense. I've spoken for too long. We have come to the end of today's video. If you have any question on SEO, please put it in the comment section. And I think that's all for today. If any other thing I've missed, I don't think so. Thank you for watching till this time. And I think that's all. I don't have anything to say again. Nothing. I trust you. All right. See you in my next video. Bye.